Neil Southgate and I'm the brass and woodwind tutor at Penryn Comprehensive School. That was the opening theme to Star Wars on the flute. Now, how we play the Star Wars theme on the flute is very nice and simple. Starting off with F. We have B flats in this tune. Now at the moment we'll be using this way of playing the B flat, a normal B plus the fourth finger on the fourth key. So, starts off with an F. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, C, B flat, A, G, high F, C, B flat, A, G, high F, C, B flat, A, C, F. Okay, so we'll try a little bit of that. That's the first bit. T, juice. B flat, A, G is a triplet, so you could think chocolate. Chocolate, B flat, A, G, then high F. So far we've got F, C, B flat, A, G, F, C. We have another chocolate, B flat, A, G. That was finished off by another F and a C. And then the triplet is a slightly different pattern. B flat, A, B flat, F. In fact, I said the wrong notes there, sorry. B flat, A, B flat, G. Chocolate juice, B flat, A, B flat, G. So it's F, C, B flat, A, G, F, C, B flat, A, G, F, C, B flat, A, B flat, G. So that is your Star Wars theme tune. Try not to do the wrong notes just like I just said, but it's nice and simple. So F, C, B flat, A, G, F, C, B flat, A, G, F, C, B flat, A, B flat, G. Okay, have fun. That's the Star Wars theme tune.